movers have come in on load day here, and we've got the banister being wrapped by our lead today and our truck driver Daryl, and then the doors have been wrapped. Everything is like really looking good. I see carpet rollers here, so it looks like those are going to get laid down to protect the carpets, so that's pretty exciting. But yeah, so far looking good here in Virginia Beach.
Hi everyone, my name is Camilla Grace. The best moving advice that I have is get yourself a binder, and inside get some clear sleeves and put all your important documents in here. Housing application, birth certificate, passports, everything that you need. You grab this, it's with you the whole entire time. You're not scrambling around looking for important documents. Your husband can grab this, go to legal, go check in, you can even put a section in for his own military stuff, and hope you guys like my tip.
My tip to you is that when the truck arrives and you start to unload, that you take pictures of anything that you may have that may have been damaged through the process, so that you have documentation later when you're ready to file your claim. Happy travels.